Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and under the Binary Options Academy project that we have on the website, so if you go on the website and check the Binary Options Academy, we have all these theoretical and technical analysis and fundamental analysis as well. And under this program, what we have this time is how to trade binary options with one of the most famous indicator of them all. I'm talking about, of course, Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. So let's write first that this is fairbinaryoptions.com. And it should be mentioned first that the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo is a Japanese indicator, and it is a trending indicator. The beauty of it stays with the fact that it is extremely visible, so traders actually can look and have projected levels in front of their eyes. Depending very much on the platform that it is used, the Ichimoku can be found on the indicators and oscillators on the regular MetaTrader. On the JForex, this is the JForex. If you click on the Add Indicator tab, and then you will have a pop-up window like it is here, and you will have under the Overlap Studies, then you have the Ichimoku, it is being called. Now the Ichimoku is formed out of 5 different elements, and the most important element of them all is, of course, the cloud. This is the cloud. Shows bearish conditions. If it is a grows bullish conditions. Red, of course, favors put options. Green, of course, favors call options. Every time the market is at the current situation, for example, like this here, where the market is here, this indicator, the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, projects prices forward, not prices, projects the cloud forward 26 periods and shows possible support and resistance level on the pair. So make no mistake that the market now, let's say that it's going to move to the upside. Well, the market, when it's going to move to the upside and is going to pass through the cloud, because the cloud is not repainting, it's going to stay there, and passes through the cloud, it means that it will face resistance. So that will be not a wise place to go and buy call options or to still be long. On the other hand, like it is here, so this is the cloud. The market comes into the cloud and finds support for 1, 2, 3 candles here, and this was a nice place to buy call options, if anything, with end of week expiration date or even higher expiration dates. The expiration dates to be traded with the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo can be taken out of, depending on the time frame that the indicator is being placed. If you go and trade the 5-minute chart, for example, then of course that the indicator is going to come in a different shape, in a different way, but it's going to be plotted on the screen exactly having the same elements. Let's get back to the 4-hour chart and trying to describe a bit the elements of the Ichimoku. So Ichimoku is being formed out of the cloud. The thicker the cloud, then the stronger the support and resistance. The thinner is the opposite, of course. The blue line here represents the Kinjun line. This brown line here represents the Tenkan line, and the first bullish sign in a bearish market, or the first bearish sign in a bullish market, is to look for the Kinjun and Tenkan to cross. If they cross, it signals a bearish situation, and the market may attempt to change direction. So you look here when the Kinjun and Tenkan crossed, and then the market never looked back. If now you want, for whatever the reason, to buy call options based on this time frame, then the first thing to look for is for the Kinjun and Tenkan to cross, which they didn't cross yet. So look for a cross there, and then um, going and buying call or put options. That is the indicator. That is how it is applied on the chart. On the MetaTrader is to be found on the indicators tab, under the indicators tab. Let's see on the second part here how to actually trade binary options with the Ichimoku. Stay tuned for the second part.